Alright, so this is Super Bowl Sunday. It's February 8th, I believe, 2010. And we got 4 feet of snow in Columbia, Maryland. This is real icy. Everybody's trying to plow out to the street, which they've only plowed once. But we only got plowed because of an ambulance had to come through for some reason. There's our house right there. This is our first winter in our house. And this is what we got. Let's go out towards the street. Here's my car. There's a shovel. You can see how high the snow is. Here's my car again. Oh my god, this is insane. All the neighbors are out, shoveling us out. I don't even know where Phil's car is. It's one of these over here. There's Phil. There's his car. Hey, Phil.
Yeah. Okay.
Think you can get out today?
Huh?
Think you can get out? Alright, so that's it for now.